पार्टी का बोर्ड नहीं बनाया.
All right, Gursimran Singh is back with us. Gursimran, there is outrage, of course, amongst the citizens of India, and it's not going down well. And clearly, you know, sentiments of the people of India will be hurt, of course. But the leaders in the valley are clearly giving it a religious twist.
See, if we see what is happening in the valley, it is clearly a communal color that is being given to this instance. But the reality remains that this is purely an instance where a national symbol has been disrespected, and that needs to be catered. But what they are saying that whether it was to be installed there, that is what the most of the political parties that are trying to play a blame game on the issue, they are trying to say. But in Jammu, if we speak, the people are anguished. The people are anguished over what has happened, and they are saying that there needs to be a stringent action that should be taken against those who are involved in this. Reason being that we have seen in the past also there have been multiple instances where there was such disrespect to the national anthem, and before the application of Article 370 and 35 alpha, everything went unnoticed. But now is the change time, and that is why we are witnessing the people are anguished, and they are staging protests. They are demanding that there needs to be the action, and action should be in such a manner that there needs to be example that is set for all this, so that no one dares to do such thing once again in the future, because it is all the disrespect here. The Bajrang Dal is staging the protest. They are demanding that a stringent action should be taken against those, the activists of the Bajrang Dal. They are saying that it is the Pakistan and the National Conference ideology that is behind this, and this action needs to be taken. आप लगातार विरोध प्रदर्शन भी कर रहे हैं. आपने आज पुतला भी फूंका पाकिस्तान का, अलगाववाद का, नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस का. क्या मांग आप लोग कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, कश्मीर के अंदर हमारे राष्ट्रीय चिन्ह को नुकसान पहुंचाया गया. पत्थर से तोड़ने की वीडियो जो है वो सामने पूरे सोशल मीडिया पे जो है वो फैली हुई है, और एक नहीं कई लोग जो हैं वो पत्थर से उसको तोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, और उसके बाद में उन्होंने तोड़ दिया. और नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस जो सत्ता में है और वो इसको सपोर्ट कर रही है, उनका वहां का विधायक, वहां का जो एमपी है और मुख्यमंत्री तक इसको सपोर्ट में आ चुके हैं. पीडीपी की जो सरसरा है महबूबा मुफ्ती, वो इसके सपोर्ट में आ गई है. हम पहले भी कई बार कहते रहे कि ये लोग पाकिस्तान के साथी हैं, ये लोग अलगाववादियों के साथी हैं, ये लोग आतंकवादियों के.
मांग क्या करते हैं आप लोग? लगातार आपने पुतला भी फूका, विरोध प्रदर्शन भी कर रहे हैं.
देखिए, हम मांग ये करना चाहते हैं कि जिस प्रकार से पाकिस्तान अलगाववाद को जिंदा करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, ऐसे लोगों को चिन्हित कर जल्द जेल की सलाखों के पीछे डाला जाए और पीएसए के तहत इनको बुक किया जाए. ये हमारी मांग है.
So लगातार what they are demanding that there needs to be a stringent action that should be taken, and they are saying that what the National Conference is doing, it is furthering the ideology of Pakistan. Yes.
Right. Gursimran Singh, thanks so much for joining us from Ground Zero. And we was, of course, protests continue. High voltage protests coming in against the desecration of the national emblem in Srinagar.